Now we will discuss the importance of different kits in the market. It is again a thing which is too much controversial, and I want to make it clear to the people coming to me, and I want to give some awareness about the kits. Again, one stage came in FUE procedure when it was new in 2009 and 10. And the patient came to me that some doctors say we are using American instruments, some say we are using Korean instruments, some say we are using Chinese instruments. All that was business, and I would say only one thing: the thing which matters is the person behind everything. If he is capable of doing everything, he is experienced one, that is more important than the instruments and like this. What instrument matters is it should be disposable, it should be new one for every patient. And again, this is coming in PRP business. Like somebody says, like, I'm using American kits, I'm using Korean kits, I'm using European kits, I'm using this. All this is business. What matters again is only one thing: the person behind this gun, behind this procedure. Is he knowing each and everything? Is he aware of PRP procedure? Is he knowing the outcome of the procedure? Is he honest to the people? And the other thing which is coming in the market again with great hype, the people come to me and say that, doctor, instead of having hair transplant, can I have PRP only to grow new hair? But it has been sold like this, and who is selling this thing to the market? All quacks. No doctor can say that a single hair can be grown by PRP. No hair can be grown by PRP. PRP is used to get the existing hair strong, get their shine back, get the growth rate up. This is the role of PRP. Instead of having loads of medicines, we are using now organic procedures, like we are taking your own blood, putting inside your own scalp and the hair roots. This will be doing only to get your hair strong. Nothing like that. Not a single hair can be grown with PRP. Another topic, what I want to tell you is, what is the role of doctor in injecting PRP? PRP can be injected by your assistant, can be injected by the doctor himself, and assistant, when it will be injecting, it should be trained by the doctor, and she should be or he should be told that where the PRP should be injected, what is exact place in the hair follicle where PRP should be injected. This is more important. He or she should be experienced in this. After that, she can do like this or he can do like this. Your assistants can inject PRP, doctor can inject PRP. It is not important, but the thing is, PRP should be injected at certain levels in the hair follicle. This is more important.